how to log out of YouTube account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can log out YouTube account on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log out YouTube account or YouTube app on iPhone, go ahead and launch the YouTube app, and by default Google will be automatically signed into your YouTube application. So what if you want to log out? Well, to log out, just tap this little profile icon, scroll down, or you can simply try going to settings here, and once you go to settings, if you don't find the option or you tap on it, you tap on this little option here. As you do that, scroll down, you'll find the option called use YouTube signed out. So you can tap on use YouTube signed out, and then you'll be able to use YouTube signed out. So tap the profile icon, tap this little drop down icon, and then you should be able to use YouTube without your Google account on your iPhone. This way you'll be able to log out of YouTube account on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.